Got a small or lesser used space that needs smartening up? Amazon has just introduced the Amazon Echo Flex. The Echo Flex is designed to bring smart home control to smaller spaces, bringing help from Alexa to more locations in your home. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com for Best Buy Canada's blog, and I recently had a chance to have the Amazon Echo Flex in my smart home arsenal. I'm going to tell you what it's best for, how well it works, what it can't do, as well as what it shouldn't be used for. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail here in terms of what an Echo device can do. If you're looking for a basic roundup, check out our blog and other videos about some of the Amazon Echo devices here on the channel. And a quick early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give us a sub, because it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. The Amazon Echo Flex is the smallest Echo device you can get. It fits easily in your palm and has a plug built into the back so you can plug it directly into an AC outlet. Once connected, it links you to Amazon's digital assistant, Alexa. Use it to control your smart home gadgets like lighting, appliances, plugs and thermostats, or use it to get instant help setting timers, alarms, and reminders.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
The Echo Flex here is designed to be primarily a smart home connector where you can call for Alexa to turn the lights on, for example. It's not, unlike other Echo devices, meant to be a speaker for listening to music and other audio. Amazon makes a pretty big point of noting this on its website, admitting upfront that the Echo Flex has a very tiny built-in speaker that is not optimized for music playback. The company recommends that if you want something that sounds better, trying the Echo Dot, or you can also connect a Flex to a separate speaker using an auxiliary jack. The speaker is definitely small and does sound kind of tinny. It's just under an inch big, so yes, you could listen to almost anything on it in a pinch, but that's not what it's meant for, so for that reason, I'm not going to try and evaluate the sound quality. You might wonder what good a smart device like a Flex would be if it's not meant for music listening. There are actually a few special use cases for Flex. You can plug it in an area where you need smart home connectivity, but you don't have furniture or a shelf or counter space available. You could use it in the basement to ask Alexa to turn the lights on or off as you head downstairs. Use it in a laundry room when your hands are full. You can use it in a kitchen to set timers or add items to your grocery list, for example. You can use it in the garage to get Alexa to turn the lights on in the house as you're heading inside. Try it in a high-traffic hallway or near the door to call out for all the lights to be turned on or off as you enter or leave. You could also place it somewhere you don't want wires trailing. So you could use this in a workshop, in a bathroom, or in a very small kitchen. You can also use it to broadcast announcements like calling out dinner's ready without screaming all over the house. Or you can use Amazon's drop-in intercom feature, which turns Echo devices into speakerphone radios. The Echo Flex also has a built-in USB port in the bottom. You can use it to plug in devices for charging or add one of Amazon's accessories like a motion sensor or nightlight. I did find one significant downside to the Amazon Echo Flex, and that's that it takes up an outlet unnecessarily, in my opinion. While it does allow USB plugins, that does limit what you might be able to charge off of it. Plus, unless you want to block those two outlets, the Flex also needs to be used in the bottom outlet, which is just not possible in some situations. Overall, I am a fan of Amazon's Echo smart devices. They are smart, reliable, handy, and they control my smart home really well. This is another blade in Amazon's Swiss Army knife of smart home connected gadgets, allowing you to place an Echo in places that weren't possible before now. The Echo Flex is also the least expensive Echo on the market. At $39, it is a great starter gadget if you're wondering if getting a smart speaker or digital assistant is worth it. If you want to read more about it, head over to blog.bestbuy.ca where we've got a full write-up posted, and you can ask us any questions you have about this device, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.